Welcome to another episode of MID Global. I'm your host, Leanne Hackman-Carty. One of the things we love to do is highlight great resources. This one I came upon recently. It's a flood emergency planning guide for disaster resilience. It's an Australian guide, part of a handbook collection, but it really does help people understand why emergency management for flooding is a shared responsibility between communities and government, and why government needs to support them in their disaster risk reduction. So if you want a copy of this resource, check out this link here and you can download it for free. In the interim, if you want to stay safe, feel free to subscribe to our channel where we talk disasters twice a week.